In this video, I share a very easy recipe for a whipped sugar scrub. I will use these aluminum tins here for this particular project because it will be part of the products that I will add to this year's advent calendar. I will share this project on my channel as well very soon if you are interested. Our main ingredient is of course sugar. It is amazing as an exfoliating agent as it is gentle due to its round granules, as opposed to salt that is more abrasive. Another ingredient is this foaming bath butter that is basically a soap base designed to be whipped and used in scrubs and whipped soaps. The base is made from mild surfactants that create a rich lather, and it's also rich in glycerin for extra hydration. I will leave a link for it in the description where you will find all the links to other ingredients, tools and equipment that I'm using or recommending. We will add some shea butter to it for its skin nourishing benefits as well. The concentration of natural vitamins and fatty acids in shea butter makes it incredibly nourishing and moisturizing for the skin. Before combining the ingredients, I will chop up the foaming bath butter in smaller chunks to make the whipping easier. I add it to a bowl to weigh out. Then we measure out the shea butter according to the recipe. It is time to whip up these two ingredients. I use a hand mixer because I have a good control over the mixture that way, but if you prefer, you can use a stand mixer as well. I linked an economic stand mixer option in the description if you are interested but don't want to invest in some very expensive options like a KitchenAid. I think that a stand mixer is great if you are making bigger quantities. I'm going to whip the mixture until I achieve a fluffy consistency. Make sure you get rid of all the chunks by scraping the sides with your spatula. The next step is optional, but I'm going to color the mixture with a little bit of mica. This is Hollywood Pink Mica from Soap. I just want to give it a light tint, nothing too crazy. So I just start with a little bit of mica because I can always add more if it's too light. The other way around, it is difficult to take it away if it's too vibrant. Now I'm adding a fragrance. This one here is called Strawberry and Champagne from a company in the UK called Scent Perfect, and it's nice for the upcoming holiday. I'm mixing it a little bit more to make sure that everything is nicely incorporated. It's now time to add the sugar. And then I fold it in with the spatula to make sure that everything is evenly distributed, so to speak. You could also go ahead and give it a whiz with the hand mixer if you want to. This is an optional step, but if you like, you could pipe the mixture into the containers of your choice. I just think it gives it a smooth and nice finish. It's a bit difficult to pipe because the mixture is a little bit dense, but if you add less sugar than called for in the recipe, it will make the mixture less dense, more manageable and pipeable, so to speak. Here I have some labels that I prepared for this occasion, and as usually the members of my Buy Me a Coffee page can download these and other options to choose from and use them on their own projects. If you're interested in more skincare recipes, you can check out the playlist on the screen where you can find many more. Feel free to subscribe and see you next time. Bye!